Assemble the shaft as described in the installation video series, Shaft Setup. Since this is a large door, rings are not used. Instead, the curtain will be mounted directly to the barrel. To lift the shaft, we are using genies, sometimes called duck lifts. The capacity of each genie is 650 pounds, and the weight of the shaft is 1,141 pounds, requiring 2 to lift the shaft. However, we will use 3, as this helps spread the load more evenly. Place the shaft in position using the dollies and move the forks of the genies underneath the shaft. Secure the ends of the forks with vice grips. You can see that the 2 left-hand genies are close together. This is to support the extra weight of the counterbalance spring inside the barrel. Lift the shaft simultaneously, working all genies, taking care to ensure that it stays level. Also watch for any other indoor obstructions, such as lights or other items mounted to the ceiling. Bolt the brackets to the guides, starting with the tension side. The brackets should be fastened to the inside of the guides. After the brackets are fastened, make sure that the shaft is centered between the brackets and lock down the set screws on the drive side bearing.